Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find Canva trash to restore your document. Okay, let's get started. First of all, you can open up your Canva. You can open the Canva website or Canva app, and then you're going to go to this menu. Okay, select this menu, and you will see the trash icon here. Just open it. Okay, and these are the documents I have deleted in my Canva. If we want to restore the document, we can click on this three dots and we're going to select restore. Okay, and the document will be back to our projects in Canva. Okay guys, and that's all the way to find the Canva trash to restore our documents. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!